All right, y'all, it is a beautiful day. The trailer's loaded and we are headed to Hog Waller. I hate this bridge so much. This is the stupidest, tallest, narrowest, shittiest bridge. No blowouts, please. Be above the tops of the trees. Like, look at that. Hate it. Hate it. Yay. Ta-da. We made it. Is everything still back there? It looks like it.
Yep.
All right, y'all. Well, we made it, and it's Friday at noon, and there's already a line. I can't believe there's actually people here on a Friday, considering it's a 4-day weekend, and the holiday's Monday. So we're gonna get in here and get paid, and then get set up. Oh, and she's sweeping again. Good job, Taylor.
Thank you.
All right, y'all, so I just want to show you the setup because we got a new spot this time. The other spot we were at was super loud and I couldn't sleep. So now where we're at is actually on the other side of the main mud hole, but we've got a ton of grass. Like, we have this luscious grass. Look at this. Super nice, like almost to the point where I almost wish I brought a lawnmower. I could have mowed this before we came, but hey, I'll take it over the mud and the dirt. We're gonna be in the mud and the dirt all day. Be nice to come back and just have grass, just have grassy, wet feet. So, what are you doing, Taylor?
I'm working.
You wanna see what the noodle's for? I was very concerned what the noodles are for, guys. The noodles are for that. So when it rains, these tents actually provide a pretty good amount of protection until they get soaking wet. And what'll happen is this will just cave in. So it'll puddle up and it'll tear it and everything. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna put the noodles right over here on these rails, and all that's gonna do is just hold this up. In theory, it's not strong enough to hold all that water, but if you have it in there already, what it's gonna do is it's gonna prevent the water from even piling up in the first place. It'll just shed the water way easier. Once I get the noodles in, it probably won't rain because I'll be ready for it, but we're gonna show you how to do it anyway. She got a fancy one. They don't need to be fancy, so literally, that's all you gotta do right there. So, what it's gonna do is that water's just gonna shed right off way easier.
Aha! I see what you're doing.
So these are like $1, so they're pretty shitty. So if you want it to work better, you get a little stiffer ones, it'll just work that much better. Plus it's super windy today, so this side is gonna be an issue, but we're gonna do it anyway. It's gonna be better than nothing. All right, beautiful. And it'll be a conversation piece, if anything. People are gonna come over and they won't say anything at first. They're gonna be like, oh, I like your setup. And they're just gonna be in the back of their mind like, why do they have pool noodles up there? And then it'll awkwardly come out. And then they'll be like, man, you're super smart. It'll be awkward, you know, but that's okay, I'm ready for it. All right, so our neighbors had a little coolant issue, it's fixed. And now what are we gonna do? We're gonna go run it. There's a way out over here somewhere, Taylor. Go right over it. Ooh, man, that's good. All right, y'all, so we rode up into this dead end, kind of briar bushes, all this rain we've been getting. Look at that. Big old, huge, plump, ripe, wild blackberries. Totally edible right off the vine. And there's a bunch, so I'm gonna go pick a couple more. That's what you do on Fridays out here. It wasn't too bad. I had to christen it a little bit. Should be all right.
It was nice.
I know. All right, y'all, so we drove by the pretzel stand, and I don't know, there's just something about a soft pretzel that I cannot resist. Soft pretzels. Oh, yeah. Look at all that cheese. See that cheese? Oh. So we have this German beer. It's a grapefruit flavored German beer. We're in Florida. citrusy flavored beer is awesome. Taylor's grabbing them now.
Maybe they're in this cooler.
Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. There it is. This stuff's awesome, guys. So we got turned on to it when we were at Disney, of all places. They have it like in these secret little beer dispensing carts, I guess. So delicious. So we're going to sit here and we're going to have pretzels as our appetizer. Then we're going to cook us some venison. Then we're going to go ride.
talking OVO, but I just bought a drink. Yeah, I don't play with. was ballin' underground, making money independent.
It's getting crazy out here, guys. All right, y'all, so we did some riding around earlier this morning, met a bunch of cool people, got some good footage, but now it's time to take that out. So you can tell by the attire, it's cold, but it's not cold. So I'm trying to do waders with no shirt, but I already don't know if I like it because my legs feel hot, so I don't know. This is one of the biggest issues I've ever had is dressing properly at the mud hole. Is that good or bad? That's a good problem to have, though.
I like the waders because it's got pockets.
They do have pockets. This thing floats too much, so we're gonna lock the four-wheel drive in automatically. That's my manual four-wheel drive. It's in low. Got you.
You did that on purpose.
Nah. A little soft in there, huh? Performed excellent, Taylor. Excellent.
Okay.
You be like, hell yeah.
This one's about to catch right here. She's floating. Down there. That's bad down there. All right, y'all, that is a wrap. We are getting loaded up out here. The Prairie ran pretty damn good. I am pretty happy with that. I put the dielectric grease on there, and it seemed to help. I don't know what was wrong with it before. It'd get down in there and get kind of bogged out. It wasn't getting water inside the airbox or anything like that. The snorkels were tight, so dielectric grease everything seemed to do pretty good. So appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. We'll probably be doing some coyote hunting, some hog hunting. We're gonna be doing all kinds of fun stuff.